Welcome to the Beyond Press channel. Today we are going to test out our new toys. I have bought this vacuum pump. It is a two-stage pump, which means it's kind of two pumps in the row. So one pump sucks in the other pump, and it's at least twice as good as regular pump. And I bought this pump for a whole new project, and different project than this, but that project is going to take like 2 weeks still to finish. So in the meantime I can use the pump for just some fun tests with the vacuum chamber. And today we are going to test out of couple most traditional vacuum tests with our new pump and chamber. First one we are going to test, can we silence the alarm clock by sucking all the air out from the chamber. So in theory, if there is no air and the clock is on the styrofoam, there should be no sound from the clock even if it's still ringing. And you can see the hammer is going back and forward still.
I can't hear it anymore.
I let the pump suck because the most of air is sucked out quite fast, and like one final % is going to take some time, so I think we are going to let the pump do its work. I can still hear something, but it could be through this pot. Let's add air back to the chamber so we can see if it gets louder. Yeah, now you can hear it much better. Even if there is only about 1/4 of the air pressure that is in outside. Yeah, now it's much louder. Yeah, I think this one is success. And next the candle. And now we have candle inside the chamber. And when I put the cover on and open the valve and suck the air out, the candle should go off. Yeah, it is. Oh, that is also open. Yeah, now pressure is dropping quite quickly, and the candle is hardly burning, and there's a lot of smoke. And now it is almost. It shut it off when there was about 20% of atmospheric pressure. And now there is no smoke or anything left. So if you got your house in fire, just hook the giant vacuum pump at the door and suck everything out. Yeah, I let the air back in. The marshmallows are quite fun in vacuum chamber, so we have some regular ones and one giant fat ass candies. So put one of each inside.
Small.
So there they are, and I switch the pump on and det should do something. Hey, they are, especially that bigger one is getting quite large. Yeah, I think that one is about size of my fist right now. And there is only about 5% air left inside the tank. Yeah, now all the air is sucked out. I think the pump is now sucking the moisture out of the candies, and it is going to take very long to get them dry, so we are switch the pump off like this, and now I let the air back in. Is before and after pictures of those candies. These are now much smaller because the vacuum has sucked all the calories out of them, so you can eat as many marshmallows as you want after this. They taste the same, but the texture isn't very pleasant. Place a small glass of water inside the chamber, and let's see what happens when we start to suck everything out. Nice. Still a little. Now there is about 10% air left. 5. About 3 maybe. My pressure meter is made in China, so I'm not sure how accurate it is. I think now the water is starting to boil. Yeah, now it's boiling. Yeah, because when the pressure goes down, the water starts to boil even in the room temperature. Yeah, and yeah. We wiped the excess water out and put the glass back in, and we keep boiling the water in hope that we maybe can get the water to ice there, but I'm not sure if our pump is big enough to boil the water in that rate. It don't have time to warm up. But we let the pump suck the air out of, or not the air, but water out of the chamber couple of minutes and look, is that water going to freeze or not? Isn't happening anything right now. I think that the water is so cold that the pressure is quite low and the pump is pumping this low pressure on quite low rate, so the water isn't boiling hard enough to it freeze. I think we are going to stop this thing, and maybe I do some calculations should this in theory work with my equipment, and then I have to check my connections because I don't have anything to keep these tight right now. I think they are tight because if I switch the pump off, the pressure stays at the zero all the time. But to get really cold water boiling, you have to go very low, and my meter isn't good enough. So I think I am going to order much better pressure meter for future tests. Yeah, I open the chamber and have a look how cold that water is. It's very cold. I think it's point where it starts to freeze. Yeah. Oh, it has been spilled over, so it isn't clean anymore, so I cannot drink that. But yeah, the water is seriously cold. Yeah, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And if you have some good ideas of stuff that I should put inside of that vacuum chamber, please let me know down in the comments so I can do more of these vacuum videos.